like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can won't leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of James Garage. In today's episode, I am at Lakeside for all Jap Day, and it's an absolute bloody scorcher of a day, sizzling. But yeah, just got here. I think it's like 9:30 a.m. and it's packed. There's like people everywhere, heaps of sick cars. So try and get heaps of footage today of as many cars as I can, and also try and go for a couple ride-alongs and a couple of updates on some of my friends' builds and stuff like that. So it's pretty exciting.
God, this water is good.
Terry, have you tried the water?
Shut up, Alan. The cucumber accents the water in such a way that...
Party in the club, all the full of boys. I got what you need if you need to fill the balls. I'm in the habit, I'm in the whiskey lows. I'm getting deals, I'm getting rough. Go find me in the club, all the full of boys. I got what you need if you need to fill the balls. I'm in the habit, I'm in the whiskey lows. I'm getting deals, I'm getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on bill. When I roll 20 feet, so I'm in the club. Now I'm in the boat, right? Everybody show me love. I'm still like them in the be love, homie, and you ain't grown down, Jesus. Keep living in the man, rolling trees up. And by the time I'm moving, sick for a player pick. Been hit with a few shells, now I walk with a limp. In the hood, in the ladies saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, the show, they tell you I'm local. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. My girl from Wooded, they buy and they ready to go. Party in the club, all the full of boys. I got what you need if you need to fill the balls. I'm in the habit, I'm in the whiskey lows. I'm getting deals, I'm getting rough. Go find me in the club, all the full of boys. I got what you need if you need to fill the balls. I'm in the habit, I'm in the whiskey lows. I'm getting deals, I'm getting rough. Go.
With Mediterranean limes.
No more water. We're not here for that. No, I was very much looking forward to having the water.
It's crazy, there's so many nice cars here. I'm like struggling to like put myself together to choose which one to film, because I just want to film all of them at the same time. This is insane. There's like just GTRs everywhere. GTR. or like sick as like builds and stuff you don't really see that much. The old Rocket Bunny 180, just chilling. There's like a lineup of 2 GTRs over here and another one with another R34 with the 26 in it. It's like, what? Kidding. It's crazy. So just down here in the, I think this is the VIP section, the pit lanes, if you will. And I was just talking to one of the boys who works at QR, and who's working here at Lakeside today to help out with the stuff, and he owns this chaser. Anyway, just you know, having a little chin wag, having a chat, and he's like, oh, why don't you just come out with me and we'll go for a spin. So about to jump in the chaser and go out on the track for a cruise. Bloody excited. I love chasers, so let's do it. It's a bit cooler out here, eh? Super tings. He's got some big boys on the back. Oh, it doesn't want it. He's coming. Woo-hoo-hoo! Chaser vs Super round 2. That thing's quick, eh? Pretty quick. Holy. with Steven in his 180 Type X, otherwise known as Triple X 180. And it's one of the bloody cleanest Type X's I've ever seen. It's beautiful. We're just heading out some chops. Yeah, heading out some chops at Lakeside. Ripper. Over there, you reckon, bro, or what? That thing's crazy. That thing is nuts, dude. Alright, we got chopped. Oh, yeah. He didn't have anyone in the car. Oh, yeah. I reckon if it's your fucking fault. I reckon if I wasn't in the car, you probably would have had him then, bro. It's alright, man. You get it next time. I hate that. Oh.
Internet boy.
Out here chilling in the car with Big James Nolan from Nolan Industries. How the bloody hell are you, mate? Are you having a ripper of a day or what?
Mate, it's bloody good. It's bloody toasty though. Like my arm's melted. That's why I got me Bunnings hat here helping protect my sunburn.
Can you see the drips from his arm where it's melting? It'd be good if I could speak English, eh?
I can't see it. But yeah, no, legit. I've got sunburn like to the days.
Yeah, I'm probably going to be sunburned. But we're just waiting to go out for our cruise session, if you will. And this is my first time in the car since James has done his turbo, would you call it an upgrade or a degrade?
Well, it depends what you're using it for. It's an upgrade for drifting.
Yeah.
And street.
So, turbo upgrade?
Yeah, it's a turbo upgrade.
So, do you want to run us through your new turbo setup?
Alright, so basically I had a big turbo, I had a GTX 35, so that's like the larger Garrett size you would choose from. And then I was trying to drift on it, it was just too big for my level of drifting. So, it's possible, but I was shit at it. So I went to a smaller one, which now it's a GTX 30. And yeah, it's a lot more responsive now. I don't actually know what RPM it comes on because I can't look down. It's pretty hectic. And it's a lot sooner though. And I know it's a lot sooner, and it feels freaking awesome. It feels better than before. Before it was like it was fast at the start, but not fast. And then at the end, like changing into 4th gear, it would just go even faster.
Yeah.
With that bigger turbo, but now small turbo, straight off the line, it's fast.
Yeah.
It's sick.
Yeah. So previously with James's previous turbo, he was making 500 smack on the number.
500, yeah. It was like
a smack on 500.
Is that 500?
502.
No, it's 502. Don't say 500.
502. You have to get that right. So now he's making 475. So it's going to be like it's less horsepower, but it, in reality actually feels faster.
See, horsepower is like it's not a very good thing to go by anyway, because horsepower could be at the top of the rev range, which is what it is on a dyno sheet, right? But you want that number as early as possible. You want to get to that number as soon as possible.
Yeah.
So if you're getting to 500 at the end of the track, you've already lost the race.
Yeah.
You want 500 off the mark.
Yeah.
It's speed's different to power.
Yeah. Yeah, and your torque and everything like that as well.
Yeah, torque as well. Be interesting to see what the torque difference, because I didn't even look at that.
Yeah. So we're about to go out now and about to see how his new turbo setup goes. Who's loading? Damn! Old mate was just... Here we go. 180 SX versus Chaser 1J. Let's go! Boost loading. RB 3025 versus RB 25, and this is the car we raced in the first race, and he beat us by what? A car length? Half a car length?
It wasn't a proper race.
No, it wasn't a proper race, but this one's going to be a good one. Here we go. Jumpy there. Jumpy. But old mate's got his kids in the back. They're like 4 years old.
Pretty wild, eh?
And the 4-year-old boy's doing like the chop fingers through the window. Yeah, I'm like, this cheeky little shit, dude.
Shit, mate.
But that's alright. Alright guys, JM's Garage signing out for this episode. It's the Cruise 8 that's out on the track now, so that's the last one for the day, and I'm pretty tired. This heat's just bloody takes it out of you, eh? Look at my sunburn on my arm. Crazy. Oh. Anyway, hope you guys like this episode. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, just wanted to say thank you to everyone who took me out in their car today, and all the people that I met out here today. It was unreal. Made some more mates. Bloody love that. Love making friends. So that was good. And I learnt a bit as well of about engines and different engines and stuff, which I previously didn't have very much knowledge about. So that was good. So thankful for that. And it was a bloody awesome day out here. So thanks for all the team at the track and everything as well that put today on. Peace.